When you start day trading, should you choose a prop firm or should you do a privately funded account? A privately funded account is pretty straightforward. It means that you are starting with your own capital, you're putting it into a broker, you're putting it into a trading account, and you are using those funds to be able to set trades and to be able to make profit. You don't have the risk of losing your account. You don't have the risk of blowing your account. You just have your own money into the account. You can take money out, you can put money in however often you want. Personally, I use TradeStation. I've tried NinjaTrader. I've tried Tradeovate. I've tried TradeStation. I've tried a bunch of them, and I've stuck with TradeStation. It seems to be kind of the most user-friendly in my opinion. So if you have the funds and if you're able to do more capital, then privately funded is probably the route you're going to want to go. If you do not have, $4,000 to $10,000 to start an account with, I would recommend looking into prop firms. Personally, that is how I started, and I think it made me a more conservative trader, and I think it has made me more of a consistent trader. With a prop firm, what that means is that you are going to pay for a challenge. So it's usually between $50 to $150, depending on which prop firm you choose, and you're asking them for the right to show them that you have a consistent strategy and that you can consistently make dollars in the market, profit. Once you consistently show them that you can make profit, you will earn a funded account. A funded account just means that they're going to put money into your account. Sometimes it's a demo account, sometimes it's real money, depending on which prop firm you go through. $50,000 is a very good example. You can do a $50,000 account. So once you get funded, they'll put $50,000 in your account, and you can use that for the margins, to cover the margins when you trade futures. And then there's payout rules. So a lot of times with prop firms, you get 90%, they get 10%. You can only take half of what you make. There's a lot of different rules with the prop firms. However, it teaches you discipline, and it teaches you to not overtrade. If you lose too much money, they take your funded account away and say you need to start over. If you are able to get to a payout, which you should be able to if you have a consistent strategy, you can take the payout from the prop firm and you can put it into a privately funded account, which is exactly what I did. And now I trade both.